Are you looking for the best USB microphones in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best USB microphones that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, VIMVIP Pop Filter for Recording, Streaming, Podcasting Gaming USB Condenser Microphone. VIMVIP is a USB condenser microphone made of high-quality chip technology that helps in noise reduction. This USB microphone that ranges between 50 Hz and 16 kHz and delivers smooth audio production free of any distortion. It is an ideal microphone for use in dubbing, recording, radio station, Skype, podcasting, and gaming. The mic is equipped with a cardioid polar pattern to properly capture and produce a smooth, crisp, and clear sound. It is designed with a simple plug-and-play operation. This lets you directly connect to your computer or PC via a USB cable and use it without installing any drivers. For stability, the mic comes with a foldable metallic tripod stand which allows easy angle adjustments. Also, it is equipped with a professional dual-layer filter pop that prevents popping and enhances sound recording quality. At number 4, Camide 192 kHz 24-bit mic sound chipset plug-and-play USB computer microphone kit. Camide is a professional plug-and-play USB microphone equipped with Pro Sound chipset and a sampling rate of 192 kHz per 24-bit. The microphone can accurately reproduce a subtle sound by using a cardioid pickup pattern, low self-noise functionality, and high output. It is a perfect microphone for live streaming, recording, studios, podcasting among others. This mic kit comes with a large diaphragm that has a wider frequency response and a good signal-to-noise ratio. It is fitted on a sturdy and versatile broadcasting arm. The arm is long enough and comes with a strong and durable C-clamp that allows easy attachment on the stand. Additionally, it has a double pop filter that helps in minimizing the popping sound. At number 3, Travor 192 kHz 24-bit professional sound USB condenser microphone for gaming and recording. Travor is a USB condenser mic which is compatible with PS4, Windows, Mac, and Linux. It is a plug-and-play equipment that does not require the installation of a sound card or extra drivers. The microphone comes with a double shielded Type A to B USB cable that helps in reducing the interface. It produces a high-quality sound recording for your gaming, streaming, YouTube videos, and music. This USB microphone is fully equipped with a high-quality rate of resolution sampling of 192 kHz per every 24-bit. It also uses professional chipset technology to produce high-quality sound. Furthermore, the use of a cardioid pattern helps in recording sounds coming to the source placed directly before the mic. This will help in the elimination of background noises during recording. At number 2, UHURU Professional PC Streaming Pop Filter and Windscreen USB Podcast Condenser Microphone. UM900 USB Podcast is a condenser microphone that delivers with audio with studio quality. It is an ideal microphone for gaming, social media, or home studios. This microphone is designed with a sampling rate of 24-bit per every 192 kHz. With this resolution, the microphone can capture super clear sound recording with nearly close similarity to its source. It is designed with a cardioid pattern mechanism that makes the mic pick sound coming directly from the front side of the microphone. This polar pattern helps in eliminating unwanted sounds that could be picked from the rear or sideways. Additionally, you can plug the microphone directly into your computer and use it without the need to install any drivers. At number 1, SUDOTACK Zero-Latency Monitoring Professional 192 kHz 24-bit USB Streaming PC Microphone. SUDOTACK Professional USB Microphone is a simple recording tool that is compatible with most appliances. It can be used effortlessly via a plug-and-play design. Moreover, it comes with a built-in 3.5mm headphone jack for zero delay monitoring. This mic is suitable for home recording and even recording studios. If you wish to take your podcasting to a new level, this is the device to have. It can offer you a high sampling rate of up to 192 kHz, 24-bit. Besides, it features a mute button on the mic for easy controlling. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.